Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve fail to create conversation on Samsung on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve failed to create conversation in Android on Pinterest, you should just go to settings like this. You click. After that, in this page on Samsung, sorry. After that, on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.